Well, hello. Let's taste this date shake, shall we? Okay, y'all, we are fixing to make a date shake made with dates. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put 1 cup of almond milk or whatever milk you use. There you go. 1 cup in. You're gonna put 4 pitted dates. You're gonna put 1 banana, a dash of nutmeg, get that, and a dash of vanilla. I really like vanilla. Okay, and you're gonna put a dash of nutmeg. So we've got a cup of alternative milk, 1 whole frozen banana, 4 pitted dates, and a dash of nutmeg. And I really do like nutmeg, so I'm gonna put a little more. And then we're gonna blend this all up, and you're gonna have your date shake. Just like that.
Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever want to start all over again? You find happiness out there. You will make it back, I swear. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new.
Okay, here we go. Your date shake. It'd have been cute to make this for Valentine's, but I let that come and go. So, here we go. Oh my gosh, y'all. That looks so good. Now, I use my jewel dates. I'll leave a link below. These are the best pitted dates. They are so good. So very good. Also, I have some pecan extract and a little bit of cocoa whipped cream. I'm sure y'all all know what cocoa whipped cream is. Yep. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the whipped cream to this bowl. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to add a little bit of pecan extract to flavor the whipped cream a little bit. They would go with the dates really good. I'm not sure this is going to work out good, but I'll put a couple of drops of the pecan extract. And let me give it a taste. Oh yeah, I think another drop or 2 may, yeah. Oh yeah, this is, yeah, maybe 1 more. Okay, I'm gonna stir that all up. And then I'm gonna put this whipped cream right on top like this. Now this is not something you're gonna indulge in every day, but today I am. And I love nutmeg, so why not? Little sprinkle. And there y'all go, y'all. Dates. A date shake. Easy breezy. Well, hello. Let's taste this date shake, shall we? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. That pecan whipped cream is so fantastic. If you don't even try the shake, try the pecan whipped cream. That would be good on anything. Oh y'all. You gotta try a date shake. It's fantastic and not bad for you. All right, you know what I always say. Thank you for stopping by Simple Living. Go out there and be willing to be an answer to somebody else's prayer today. But let me tell you this, if you can't be the answer to their prayer, don't you be the problem. All right, God bless you. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.
Make it back.